Okay, so guys, you're welcome to my channel again. So I'm trying to look at the drawing here, do the cutting length, the schedule, because some of them are not complete. So our rings are also ready. You can see them. We've transferred them to the first floor slab, so to where we'll be using all of them. So we've moved them up and we are ready for connecting our beam reinforcements. So you can see part of the slabs are ready, part of the slab formworks, they are ready. So I'm trying to check the drawing again to make sure that we are in order and there is no error from anywhere. So we are good to go. So we'll be moving the reinforcement up to some of them that we'll need for the beams. You can see we have a curve here, so we'll definitely make sure that we cut out the shape too. So here guys, we've done part of the floor beams, the first floor beams. We've done part of it, so we're going to continue and do our lapping length from here. So it's actually because we are trying to move with the formwork with the carpenters. So as they are moving, we are moving with them. So you can see these parts, they've not covered the slab on these parts. So but we are actually moving with them, moving with their pace to make sure that there is no delay from our own hand too. So we are trying our best to catch up. So you can see the carpenter, they also are busy working. As they are working, we are moving with them, looking at the place that we can always catch up with to make sure that we are not behind. So everybody is trying their best to make sure that we deliver at the target time. So here guys, we've done some of the beams. You can see I and my teams, we are working consistently. They are tying the steel ropes with the beam bars here to make sure that we are doing everything according to specification, and to make sure that when the consultant comes to check, so we are in order, there is no complaint from anywhere. So as you know guys, so when it comes to this, so this is just what we know how to do, and we always try as much as possible to improve ourselves on it. So that's it guys. So everybody is working, and I'm also here checking the drawing again. So as my guys are working, I'm making sure that I'm always checking the drawing to make sure that the instructions are well given out to everybody that needs it, and to make sure that we are doing the right thing. So some of our beams are ready to be dropped down. So here we have a upstand beam, so that's why you can see the difference in the two heights between this beam and this beam. There's this one at the perimeter, we have upstand beam. Here there is no upstand beam here, so it's like a two different levels, but we're actually trying to manage it. So you can see guys, here we have a curved beam, and we will definitely make sure that our steel too, we bend it to the precise angle. So that's how the project is going guys. So these parts, the carpenters are still working on that aspect too. So as I've said earlier, we are moving with them. So I'm trying to show you the arrangement of the steel reinforcements here of the beam. So we have two tops, top one, top two. I think we have one single bottom, that is only bottom one. So here we have bottom and top. So trying to show you guys so that you can see how the arrangement looks like. So everyone is actually working back to back to make sure that yes, we are progressing. So everyone is trying to make sure that we are progressing. So work is actually going on. So here we have a cantilever slab at this place. We have a cantilever slab. Our surveyors too are on the floor. So everybody is actually putting in their best to make sure that we are meeting up with time. So you can see guys. So that's how the first floor looks like.